I've been running from the pain, trying not to feel the same, but it's a shame. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Guys, today I have come up with another interesting and nice video. Whenever we wear makeup on our faces, then the one of our facial feature which we never miss out is our eyes. Whenever we are applying some makeup on our eyes, then we want that that makeup should give depth and intensity to our eyes so that our face look lively. In my opinion, I feel like eyes are the life of our face, which bring our face to life, and it gives an impression to our face. So guys, eyes are very important, and doing makeup over the eyes is also another important step. So guys, today I have come up with one such nice and interesting product with you, and I have used that product, so I thought I should share my honest review with you guys. And I'm pretty sure that you are going to love this product. Guys, today I have brought for you NY Bay Kajal. It is from New York Bay brand, and this Kajal is black in color, and its complete name is the Big Apple of My Eye, and its name is quite interesting. Similar to its name, this Kajal is also of very good quality. This NY Bay Kajal is dermatologically tested, and it is totally waterproof and water resistant, and it is besides this, it is smudge proof also. So you can wear it whole of the day, and it is not going to bleed out from your eyes. So you can wear it for whole of the day, and believe me, I am in love with this product. This product is really awesome. I can show you. As I have told you, it is totally smudge proof and waterproof. You can see the color, the intensity of this kajal. It glides very smoothly in your eye if you are going to wear it, and the color is dark and pigmented, and it will give depth to your eye, and give an appearance of big eye. You can see, and I'm going to show you a test also, that we are going to check that whether it is waterproof or not. I'm having water in this bottle. It is 100% smudge proof and water resistant. If you will wash your face after wearing it, it will not come out of your eye. And guys, this product is really awesome if you are going for party outs and for night outs. Then also this product is really awesome. I think you should not miss it out. Guys, this product is really awesome, and you should definitely get it from Purple website. It is available there on heavy discount. Purple is giving you this product, providing you at big discount. Great deals are available there. You can go there and check it out for this product, and I have shared the link of this product and the link of Purple website below in my video description. So guys, check it out once and get this product. Grab it as soon as possible. This product, you are definitely going to fall in love with it. So, as this NYB Kajal pencil comes like this in a pencil form, so it is travel friendly also, and you just need to twist it and it will come up, and then you can easily use it. Very easy to use, very convenient and very smooth. It will smoothly glide on your eyelids. So guys, today I'm going to create an eye look from this NY Bay Kajal pencil, and let's see how it comes up. See my confidence is shaking and my heart is feeling vacant, so you try to feel it in. I've been running from the pain, trying not to feel the same, but it's a shame that we miss again. See my confidence is shaking and my heart is feeling vacant, so you try to feel it in. I've been running from the pain, trying not to feel the same, but it's a shame that we miss again. See my confidence is shaking and my heart is feeling vacant, so you try to feel it in. I've been running from the pain, trying not to feel the same, but it's a shame that we miss again.
See my confidence is shaking and my heart is feeling vacant. So you try to feel it in. I've been running from the pain, trying not to feel the same, but it's a shame that we miss again. See my confidence is shaking and my heart is feeling vacant. So you try to feel it in. I've been running from the pain, trying not to feel the same, but it's a shame that we miss again. See my confidence is shaking and my heart is feeling vacant. So you try to feel it in. I've been running from the pain, trying not to feel the same, but it's a shame that we miss again.
Guys, as you have seen, I have created such an amazing and bold look by simply using NYB Kajal, and this product is really awesome, and because it is smudge proof, so it has given a very precise definition to my eyes and eye shape. And so guys, what are you waiting for? Just go on Purple website, visit the website and grab this product and create any such look which you want. It will really give you very much bold and festive look, and because festive season is on, so I think you must have this product to rock the party. So if you like my review and you like my video and you have understood about this product well from my video, then give me one thumbs up. And guys, thank you very much for watching my video till then. Thanks, bye bye.